Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset your Vortex HD67. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if you're looking to hard reset your phone here or any Android device, well, hard resetting, or in this case, factory resetting them is fairly easy. So first things first, make sure that your phone is fully charged and you have enough charge to do the reset itself. So the reset might take a while here, so making sure that you have enough charge can actually help you a lot. So in my case, I have this for example in 100%. So what we need to do next is you need to open up your mobile phone here, and in your mobile phone you want to access your settings. Now from here, you want to go to the very bottom here and you want to look for the option for additional settings. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now, this is going to be the same thing for any Android phones because factory resetting them is quite straightforward. So I want to scroll down a bit here and you want to look for the option that says factory reset. Now, if you can't find this, you can go and go back to the first window on your settings, just type in factory reset and you should be able to get the same result. Now let's go and click on it. Now it's going to give you some information here what will be erased from your phones. That includes your contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data, and other items on your device. Now if you're sure, just click on erase all data here and it will start the process of factory resetting your device. So this might take a few minutes, so wait for it to complete and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.